Charges are dropped against a group of protesters fighting for marriage equality.
Now, last May, they were arrested after trying to apply for marriage licenses at the Register of Deeds. Yesterday, a judge found 3 of the protesters not guilty of trespassing.
Today, the district attorney dismissed the remaining 5 cases. News 13's Megan Shearing has tonight's top story. Megan, this decision is considered a huge victory.
It is, Darcel. Those arrested were part of the We Do campaign. They were protesting the passage of Amendment 1. Now they're hoping the recent verdicts will spark change. May 11th, 2012.
Ask that we can be married and have equal rights.
It was an emotional day at the Register of Deeds office. Several same-sex couples walked in and tried to get a marriage license, but they were denied.
We cannot issue you a marriage license today.
So they sat.
And so you'll be handcuffed and forcibly released.
And then they were arrested. A total of 8 people were charged with trespassing. But now that day of defeat seems worth it.
It was unexpected, but it was very much a relief.
On Wednesday, a judge dismissed the charges against Cindy Jordan and her partner, Laura Blackley. 24 hours later, the district attorney's office decided to throw out the remaining cases. Amy Cantrell got the news shortly after 1 Thursday.
This judge, when she looks back and her grandchildren look at her, they will say she was on the right side of the law. And we believe, 40, 50 years from now that her grandkids will be saying that to her. Wow, look at her.
She considers the decision a sign of what's to come.
We're hopeful as we go into an election year that we will have full federal equality from the the United States government saying to states that it's important that all citizens have equal rights and equal protection under the law.
We recognize that you denied our request for a marriage license today.
Cantrell is hopeful that one day she will walk back into the Register of Deeds office, and instead of hear no, she and her partner will hear yes. Now, the decision to eventually allow same-sex marriage will have to be made by the U.S. Supreme Court. But in the meantime, Cantrell tells me discussions have already begun on how she and others will continue to push for equality here in North Carolina.